Seal. The meaning of seal is any of numerous carnivorous marine mammals. Dolphin. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal within the infraorder Sciatica. Fish. Fish are aquatic vertebrates that have gills, fins, and a backbone. Octopus. An octopus is a soft-bodied, eight-limbed mollusk. Crab. A crab is a stubby sea creature with a flat body. Dolphin. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal within the infraorder Sciatica. Penguin. Penguins are flightless birds that live in the southern hemisphere. Shark. Sharks are a group of elasmobranch fish. Lobster. Lobsters are Malacostraceans of the family Nephropidae. Frog. A frog is any member of a diverse and largely carnivorous group. Walrus. The walrus is a large pinniped marine mammal.